Но я начал бы с того, что Транснефть – это самая крупная в мире нефтепроводная компания. Вот я считаю, что это здание, оно как раз создает такой имидж, оно о многом позволяет судить.
4 or 5 years ago, when we started talking about this project, using LEDs in an office environment, especially in large office buildings, was kind of at a very early stage. This was the first time that we used a very small light fitting in an office environment. Some of the rooms are small offices, some of them are big, and we tried to use the same technology throughout the entire building. I have to say that we had enormous constraints and difficulties because each floor, and we have 55 floors, each floor is different. So we actually had to calculate and recalculate every single room in every single floor on the entire building numerous times in order to achieve the fittings in the right position so that we can have the uniformity. You have all this glass facade and you have a very strong influence of daylight. So for that purpose, we use the laser blade wall washes to illuminate evenly the entire wall of the corridors, and then in the evening it automatically dims because you don't need so much light during the night when there is no influence from the sun. So this way you are actually regulating of the intensity of the light. Plus, we also have shades which are automatically controlling the influence of the daylight. So the combination of shades and a dimming of the intensity of the light in a given space is actually giving us a very comfortable working space. And the control system is actually helping very much to reduce dramatically the energy used in such a building.
Ну, я уже говорил, что здание само по себе очень красивое, необычное. И подсветка делает его еще наряднее, еще красивее. Здание, на мой взгляд, стало такой доминантой вообще в Москва-Сити.
This particular building, when you are looking at it now from the outside, it looks very different, actually. It looks more calm. It's more sophisticated in a way. And then it was necessary to have some kind of facade lighting to enhance the shape of the building during the night and to provide some kind of landmark lighting that will be different and recognized, something that is diverse from the rest of the area in which the building is situated. So during the process of this, how we're gonna resolve this, I actually designed a pixel which was mounted on the existing window frame of the building from the inside, and it was mounted directly and flush to the window so that that light will have absolutely no influence to the interior of the building, but you will actually see it from the exterior. Now that we have 3,500 pixels, we can actually program each one of them to whatever scene that we want. The most difficult part in this job lately is convincing someone else that whatever you are doing is going to be good for them. Because people today are not used to this new technology, are not used to this different approaches towards lighting because they haven't seen it yet.
Если у нас Спасская башня и храм Василия Блаженного на Красной площади – это символы ушедшей истории, прошедших эпох, истории Москвы и России, то вот это здание – это символ современной Москвы.